What's going on, guys? Streams by Q here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the investing part of Cash App. I recently decided to jump into here and invest into some of these companies. I'm currently following them. I will show you my investments. I invested $2 into Tesla, $10 into Shopify, $5 into Disney, currently $5 into Facebook, $5 into Microsoft, $10 into Amazon, and $3 into Roku. I'm going to tell you why. So honestly, a lot of these companies are long-time companies. They've been around for a while. When you're investing on here on Cash App, you can invest as low as $1. What you want to use is you want to make sure that you're investing into companies that are like they have a track record of A, being around for a long time, and B, increasing. So let's see here. Here, Roku is on an increase, and let me go find one of the ones I invested in that was currently down. I think Facebook could be no. Amazon's obviously up, so it's gotta be Microsoft. One of these was down that I invested in, and it was lower than it usually is. I'm guessing it must have went up. Amazon is currently down. It says for week, yeah. Okay, I was looking at the weekly. So Amazon is currently down for the week. Let me check the week for Disney. Disney's steady. Shopify is down for the week. So what I looked at is basically, let's look at Amazon, right? So Amazon is usually around up here. Let's check. Even though it's on a high, I would expect it to jump back up 3,328. And right now it's at basically $300 less. So that's why I invested into Amazon. I put $10 into Amazon, $10 into Shopify, because those are both low, so they're going to jump up high. What I'm going to do is I'm probably going to show you guys another video of my stocks, probably like today or tomorrow. Not today or tomorrow or the next day, and let you know what the increasing looks like on here. I invested $40 today just to jump into it. Tesla is obviously something that's going to keep going up, because if you look at it, it started up around 2010, or basically about 2010, and it just kind of shot up these past couple of years. So that's something to know. Facebook is always going to be increasing. That's something everybody's using. So that's always increasing. Microsoft is literally computers, Xbox. They're getting ready to drop another console this upcoming October, maybe, or November. I'm not too sure, but they're getting ready to drop another console. So stocks are going up high. Once that console drops, it'll peak and then you can drop out. So I might go and put more money into there before the end of this year, but right now it's, as you can see, it's going up. Let's check it for the month. Yeah, the week is down low, that's why I invested in it. So right now is a good time to invest into Microsoft. It's currently down to 200. It'll probably spike back up to 215. Let's check. The max it was at was 215 for this month, and then the highest for the year was 215 actually. So that's a good stock. The way you want to look at it is you don't want to buy and instantly sell your stocks out. You want to look at it as in you own part of the company. You got to have a big mind about it. So would you just sell what you own from a company? If it's like a huge company like this, like Disney, it's 214 billion. By next year, it could be up to 300 billion. So if you put $10 into Disney and it goes up by like double within a year, then you get back $20. I don't know, it's kind of strange. Tesla, so 6 months ago, that would be about January, Tesla was around 65 billion, and it has quadrupled since then. So look at companies like that, companies that you think are gonna go like skyrocketing, And with everything being a corona, it might be a good time to jump into the stock. Let me show you. Some good ones would be to look for these tourism type companies. So the airline companies, obviously, they're gonna shoot back up. Those are gonna go right back up. Transportation companies, Uber is probably down. Let's check. Yeah, Uber is heading down. So February, that's about the time Corona was being noticed. Then March, it was like everything shot down. Like nobody bought Uber. Everybody sold out. And then they started to buy it again. This is gonna skyrocket back up. Let's check. So the highest that it has been at is currently here at 44. Price per share is 30. So I guess it's not that much lower than it usually is. I guess that's pretty consistent. Southwest Airlines is somehow upward if you look at it. What the heck? Oh no, never mind. It's over here at the edge, it's dropping down. The max it's ever been was 52. It's currently at 32. So it's gonna double. I'd say it double within the next 3 months, 3 or 4 months here. Yeah, probably like 3 or 4 months. It'll double again. Because once all of this COVID junk clears up, we should be clear for everything to jump back up. FedEx, that's still going on. They might be down a little bit here. 156, 250. You want to look for stuff that's dropped down due to this this virus here. See, February, they dropped down. See, March, it's really low. And then it's gonna go back up. Let's check all time. All time. This is about the highest peak right here at 100 per sale. 115. Lyft might be down. You know, Lyft is something that was huge. A lot of celebrities were partnering up with it when it first came out. See, when it first came out, all the celebrities were into it, but Uber is like it's really like a monopoly. They can't compete with Uber. Let's check. So Lyft is at that at let's check. Let me check real quick. What is Lyft at? 27. And Uber is at 30. It's pretty low behind. Let's check some more here. Man, a good one is also these cruise lines. Those are gonna be good as well to jump into. Let's check. Carnival, Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. So that's currently down. The lowest it's ever been. So 130, and it's down to 49 now. It actually dipped down to $20 here. Yeah, $22. It dipped down to $22, and it's gonna go right back up eventually. It's at 48. I'm gonna go on and put 5 into that. Yeah, I'll put 5 into that right now because it's gonna jump back up. So just want to make sure you guys are getting into these type stocks here. This is smart to jump into because all this stuff is gonna jump right back up. Carnival is also another cruise line. It dropped as low as $12 here to $15. The maximum that it was at 50. It's looking to pull in January. COVID was starting to be announced, I would say January and February area, and then it just kind of everything dropped down. But the thing is, these are giant boats, so it's not like they're gonna go anywhere. Like it's actually, they're gonna come back eventually, or people are gonna be jumping into them. So I put 5 into that as well, just to be into it, and should be good to go. Also, there's no fees on these as well. I'll show you again. Just click the $1 one. I'll show you where it says there's no fee. Let's see here. See here, it says no fee. Approximate share for $1 is 0.66066. Let me check if there's any other cruise line. I think there's Princess Cruises. Norwegian. There's Princess Cruises as well. This is down to 15, and it was also at 53, so it's looking at a times 4 inch. I want to kind of jump into some of these, dude, because when you think about it, like over time, it's gonna jump back up. So my $5 is gonna multiply times 4 and jump into $20 for each of these. So I'll just drop $1 into it for now, and then just you know what? I'll just go back and drop 5. All right. So I just bought a third of that, and I'm gonna make sure I go and follow these companies that I just dropped into. And where is Carnival? I just dropped into that as well. So now I'm looking at, well, what am I at? 15, 17, 27, 32, 37, 40, 45, 55 into stocks for today. So let me go back. So these are the current stocks that I'm invested in: Disney, Amazon, Shopify, Roku, Microsoft, Facebook, Tesla, Norwegian Cruise Company, oh my goodness, Royal Caribbean, and Carnival. And most of these cruise lines are down, but they're gonna shoot back up at least 3 or 4 times within the next 6 months. So everything's gonna be looking good again. Maybe 6 months, maybe like about next spring, April or May, they should shoot back up. Yeah, man, this is a quick video. Just want to show you guys about stocks. I jumped into this stuff and I'm enjoying it, man. I've actually wanted to do stocks before, but I just kind of iffy about it. But I'm trying it on Cash App here because I'm usually running a lot of my business through Cash App. So might as well drop some of it into some stocks and see what happens. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you liked it, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know your ideas on these stocks and things dropping down because of this COVID season, man. It's pretty crazy, but I think everything's starting to clear up. And yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you.